Simple DIY hair mask for long, thick and shiny hair growth. Every woman wants to keep her head crown, hair, thick and shiny in order to ensure her feminine look and feel more confident. To ensure this, she is keen to provide very effective mask for extreme hair growth with simple ingredients that you can get from your kitchen refrigerator to intensify the hair, soften it, and increase its strength and comfort. Hence, many women are looking for extreme hair growth mask, and the list below shows the best very effective extreme hair growth masks. There are many masks of hair that women trade among them, and here come the most extreme hair growth masks. 1. Ginger hair mask for extreme hair growth. This mask is an extreme hair growth mask, as it speeds hair growth by activating blood circulation in the follicles, which means that the follicles can get food that strengthens them. To use this mask, mix a tablespoon of ginger paste with a tablespoon of olive oil, jojoba oil, and coconut oil. Start by massage the ginger oil on the scalp using the fingertips. When the entire scalp is covered with the oil, re-massage for another 5 minutes to improve blood circulation. Leave the oil on the hair for at least 30 minutes, then rinse with shampoo. Repeat this mask twice a week for best results. 2. Coconut milk mask for extreme hair growth. It is an extreme hair growth mask, as it contains a lot of effective ingredients that can increase and strengthen your hair speedy. To use it, mix 4 tablespoons coconut milk powder with 2 tablespoons mayonnaise or yogurt with 6 tablespoons of milk together well till you get a cohesive mixture. Apply the mask on the hair with keeping away from the scalp. Leave the mask on the hair for 2 hours. Wash the hair with water and a suitable shampoo. 3. Apple mask for extreme hair growth. It is an extreme hair growth mask, as the apple gently cleanses the scalp, maintains pH balance in the scalp, and speeds its growth. Boil an apple and then grind it well. Add coconut oil till the mixture becomes creamy. Apply the mask on the hair with keeping away from the scalp. Leave the mask on the hair for 2 hours. Wash hair with water and your shampoo. 4. Avocado mask. Avocado is a fruit with many health benefits, and one of these benefits is that it promotes hair growth. You can use avocado to make a hair mask for hair growth at home. To use it, grind 1 pill of avocado well. Then add the milk till you get a creamy texture. Apply the mask to the hair. Leave the mask on the hair for 2 hours. Wash the hair with water and shampoo. 5. Onion mask. Fortunately, the onion enters the composition of many commercial products to treat hair loss, such as onion juice helps to promote hair growth and others. We can use onion to make extreme hair growth mask DIY by peeling the onions well to prepare onion juice. Placing the 2 onions in the blender to become juice. Putting the juice on the scalp for 40 minutes. Then washing your hair with a suitable shampoo. 6. Egg and olive oil hair mask. This mask is an extreme hair growth mask because eggs and olive oil are important natural nutrients for hair health. The most important benefits are that hair becomes more intense and vital. Here's how to apply olive oil mask and eggs to treat hair. Mix eggs with olive oil in a deep bowl, with the possibility of adding vinegar or honey. Spray the water on the mixture to make sure there is enough to cover the hair. Apply the mixture on dry hair with a continuous scalp massage. Comb the hair to distribute the mask on all sides. Cover the hair with a plastic hat or a nylon cap. Leave the mask for a period of 15 to 30 minutes. Rinse hair with shampoo several times to remove the mask permanently. 7. Green tea mask. Place 4 to 6 cups of green tea in boiling water, depending on length and density of hair. Then cover and leave until cooled. Wash the hair well with green tea water and leave on hair for 15 minutes. Then wash the hair with water and shampoo. 8. Honey and olive oil. Both honey and olive oil are ingredients that act as hair irritants. By mixing them together, this helps to enhance their natural properties. Honey is a dense substance and olive oil is relatively light, which helps to obtain a suitable mixture for use on hair. Mix 5 tablespoons of olive oil with half a teaspoon of honey until you get a suitable texture. Wash well-moistened hair for a few minutes until it is well distributed. Cover the hair with a plastic lid and leave for 90 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly using shampoo. Finally, we give you a list of very effective masks for extreme hair growth. So, keep to try them regularly, and if you tried any recipe of the above recipes, write your comment and share your opinion with us. We will be very thankful for your comments.